Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through enabling advanced protection in the IMO app to secure your account and prevent unauthorized access. This feature is essential for anyone who values privacy and wants an extra layer of security. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Accounts and Security. Click on it to access all security-related options. Now, tap on Login Protection. Now, tap on Advanced Protection option. Then click on Enable. And OK. If a permission prompt appears, click on Settings, which will open your phone settings. Here, select Permissions. Then click on Phone and choose Allow. After granting the necessary permissions, return to the app settings and tap on Advanced Protection again. Then click Enable once more. Finally, IMO will send a verification code to your phone number to complete the setup. Once done, your account will have enhanced security, and you can use IMO with more confidence knowing that your personal data is protected. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.